Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we change the line type in Autocad. So for that you have to select this line. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one, and then you have to click on this by layer in this properties group, and here as you can see there we have limited lines of types of line, or you can say the same lines. So to add the line type, just click on other lines, and here this box appears where you can change the line type by clicking on this load, and here we have the types of line that you want. So let's suppose I want this hidden line, so I'll select it and then click on OK. Again click on OK, and if you again select this line and again click on this by layer option, then you can see this hidden line is added. If you want to apply, then just click on that and this will be applied. Similarly, you can use the shortcut, select the line and type on the keyboard LineType. Again enter, select this line and then click on OK. So this way guys, you can change the line. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.